In this video, you'll learn how much foundation inspections cost and if it's the right solution to you and your home's problem. Seeing damage in your home isn't a good feeling, and no one wants to be fearful of a place that is supposed to be their sanctuary. In this video, we're going to go through the costs associated with foundation inspections for our company here at Dalinghaus Construction. You're in luck. Foundation inspections for homes not on the market are 100% free. The foundation specialist comes out to your home and takes roughly an hour to an hour and a half to get dimensions of your home, along with measurements of the foundation, diagnosing causes, and determining how badly your home might be suffering. If your home is on the market, it does cost roughly $500. This small charge is for the more paperwork needing to be filled out for escrow, and also because only about 3% of the homes that are on the market actually get fixed. And we need to be able to pay our staff, the inspector, and keep the lights on at our office here. So, the way to figure out if your home inspection will cost you anything is basically just determining whether or not your home is for sale. Having to protect or repair what is potentially one of your family's largest investments is never a good feeling. So, please click the Get Started button at the top right-hand corner of our website to get the process started to scheduling your foundation inspection. Thank you for watching the video, and remember to never settle for foundation issues.